If you want to apply to the UAE unemployment insurance, and you don't know how to apply, don't worry, I will explain to you step by step how to apply. Let's start it. Open the Google through your mobile or computer. Write ILEO Dubai in the Google search and press enter. Open the website of Dubai Insurance. You will see a subscribe button in the red color. Click on the subscribe. Click again on the subscribe button. Select your sector as a private. Enter your Emirates ID number and mobile number. And then click on the Request OTP. You will receive an OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP and log in into your account to pay your insurance fee. That's all.